Building a custom home is no easy task. Between managing contractors, budgets, and timelines, it can often feel overwhelming. But what if there was a tool that could streamline the entire process? That's exactly what CoConstruct for custom home building does. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this software can transform your building experience and save you both time and stress. And the best part? You can try it completely free with our exclusive bonuses, so make sure to check the first link below. Now, let's dive in. CoConstruct is an all-in-one platform designed to help you manage every aspect of custom home building, from project planning to completion. No more juggling spreadsheets or endless emails. CoConstruct brings everything into one simple, easy-to-use system. The first thing you'll notice when using CoConstruct is how it simplifies communication. With this platform, you can keep everyone on the same page: builders, subcontractors, clients, all in one central location. Updates, questions, and changes are shared in real time, eliminating the chaos of missed messages or misunderstandings. Next thing, CoConstruct streamlines budgeting and financial management. You can track your spending in real time, ensuring you stay within your budget throughout the project. Whether it's a small change or a major decision, every cost is documented, and you can easily compare estimates and actual costs to avoid surprises later on. The third thing CoConstruct excels at is timeline management. It provides tools for creating detailed schedules, assigning tasks, and tracking progress. This helps you stay on track and ensures that deadlines are met without delays. With everything from milestones to daily tasks organized, you're in full control of your project's pace. Moving on, CoConstruct also simplifies the selection and ordering of materials. You can upload your choices directly into the software, allowing for easy reference and coordination with suppliers. This eliminates the confusion that often comes with coordinating materials and ensures you get exactly what you need when you need it. And the fifth thing? CoConstruct helps you manage client preferences. You can track selections, changes, and updates all in one place, so clients always know exactly where things stand. This level of transparency not only improves client satisfaction, but also ensures the project runs smoothly with minimal hiccups. Finally, CoConstruct offers powerful reporting tools. From financial overviews to progress reports, you'll have all the data you need to make informed decisions. This makes it easier to handle the complexities of custom home building, whether you're overseeing one project or multiple. Remember, you can access CoConstruct for custom home building completely free through the link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value out of this incredible software. So, whether you're a custom home builder or a homeowner looking to take control of the process, CoConstruct is the tool you've been waiting for. Try it today and see how it can streamline your building process like never before. Don't forget, click the first link in the description to get your extended free trial of CoConstruct.